I'm opposed to issue 1, and there's 4 points that I want to make to you. I don't dispute that we need to do treatment better in a different way in this state, but this is not safe. It does not promote safety. It is the right diagnosis, but the wrong prescription. A couple months ago, I sentenced a young lady whose face was battered on a felonious assault to 10 years in prison. This violent criminal, as drug offenders and gang members now, their sentences will be reduced 25% under this. 25%.
Issue 1 came to be because Ohio is number 2 in the nation for opioid deaths. We are a leader in something that's tragically taking away many, many lives. We are the 5th largest prison state in the nation. Nearly 50% of the people who are incarcerated in Ohio's prisons are there for minor drug possession and for probation rule violations. This will allow for the focus of our law enforcement resources to be dedicated to serious crime, to drug trafficking. The fact is that for the last 8 years, we've been trying the carrot and the stick. What we haven't been able to do is to increase our treatment capacity. There are many tools at our disposal. We need to use them, and we need to make sure that we're providing better support for people who need drug treatment and focus on those who are harming our communities, trafficking drugs, and participating in violent crime.
Treatment. As chairman, I started the Stop Killing Committee to try to save lives. The problem that I'm having with this constitutional amendment, which has had no input from the legislature, we need to have input from the prosecutors, public defenders, and divide that way.
Ohioans have waited for a very long time. And I will also say that Ohioans are the anchor of this. Some of you in this room may have signed a petition to get this on the ballot. When we talk to folks at every corner of the state, there were heart-wrenching stories from parents. There is Rick Hughes, who I met, who talked to me about bringing his barber in to cut his son's hair in his casket.